How to apply for Dubai Work Visa Online 2025. Working in Dubai sounds exciting, but the visa process confuses many applicants. Most people think they can apply alone, but here's the surprising truth about how Dubai Work Visas actually work in 2025. You cannot apply for a Dubai Work Visa without a job offer. Your employer sponsors your visa and handles most of the process online. Once you receive a job offer, your employer applies for a work permit through the WO Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization. This is done entirely online. After approval, you'll receive an entry permit allowing you to enter the WO legally for employment. When you arrive in Dubai, the next steps happen quickly. You'll complete a medical exam, biometrics for your Emirates ID, and visa stamping. Most people get this wrong by assuming paperwork is slow. In reality, the full process often takes 2 to 4 weeks. Documents usually required include a passport copy, passport photos, educational certificates, and a signed employment contract. The surprising truth is that employees rarely pay visa fees. In most cases, the employer covers the full cost. Once your residence visa is stamped, you're legally allowed to live and work in Dubai. In 2025, the Dubai Work Visa process is streamlined and mostly digital, but it depends entirely on employer sponsorship. If you're planning to work in Dubai, focus on securing the job first. Subscribe for more visa and relocation guides explained simply.